Hello students, welcome to NCERT online class. Student, today our class is from English grammar pronoun. Our class is about pronoun classification with examples. So keep watching up to end. Student, what is pronoun? Let's write about pronoun at first. A pronoun, and I already taken class of noun. Actually it is a parts of speech. A pronoun is a word. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Used in place of a noun. How? If you give a example, then it will be clear. Imagine Rama is a girl. Rama is a girl. Then she has a pet. Now, how can it is word used in place of noun? You know that Rama is a noun. It is naming word, and after that sentence, here is she. So actually the sentence is Rama is a girl and Rama has a pet. But we used she as a place of Rama. That means a pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Okay. Then classification of pronouns. Classification of pronouns. That means the parts of pronouns. Actually, the classification of pronouns is different types. When you search in Google or any different places, it will be different types. But mainly the classification is 10 types. Okay, let's discuss one by one with examples. First one is personal. Personal. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन क्या क्या है? I, he, she. Examples: I, he, she, it. Then we, they, you. We, they, you. These types of word is personal pronouns. देखो ये रामा और ये शी, ये भी इसमें अंदर, दैट मीन्स पर्सनल प्रोनाउन का एक एग्जांपल है. देन नंबर 2, पोसेसिव. पोसेसिव प्रोनाउंस में क्या क्या है? माइट, हिज, हर, इट्स. Then yours, mine, our. Is a word possessive pronouns. Then number 3, reflexive. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns क्या क्या होता है? Myself, himself, herself. In different place we can found these types of word. All this reflexive pronouns. Then you can write itself, then yourself, This types of word is reflexive pronoun. Then number 4, reciprocal. Reciprocal. How types of word come in reciprocal pronouns? Each other, on another, each other, then on another. These types of word come in our reciprocal pronoun. Then number 5, demonstrative. Demonstrative. These, that, this type of word, you know about this. Sometimes in exam, use of this, use of that question will become. So you know that what is the types, which is demonstrative pronouns. So we can write very easily our answer. This is 5 types and another 5 types is there. At first write this 5 types, then we will write our another 5 ones. Next class we will discuss about adjective. Okay. So if you not subscribe our channel, you can subscribe, so get all the class up to date time. I hope you write the personal. So I will wrap for next. Number 6, interrogative. Interrogative pronouns. What, whose, which. These types of word will come in interrogative. Not only these 4, these types of words, interrogative pronouns. Then number 7, I will hope you note down this one also. Number 7, relative. Listen to students. Some of the word is same to same as usual. Relative and interrogative. Okay. Here is also who, whose, then that, as. Because in sentence we use it as a relative part, but it is also interrogative pronouns. Then number 8, conjunctive. Conjunctive. Here is also who, whose, then which. These types of word also conjunctive. This 3 is as usual, same to same as, but some of is different. Demonstrative, that also, here is that also. Okay. Then number 9, defining. I hope you note down this too. So I will draw. Number 9, defining. Each, every, then everybody, everyone. These types of word is defining pronoun. Then last one is indefinite. Indefinite. But in different place you can find out it is more types, 11 types, negative pronouns also. But mainly 10 types of pronouns. Some, any, somebody, anybody. These types of what? Anything, something. Okay, anything, something. These types of words is indefinite pronouns. So this is 10 types of pronouns is there in English grammar. This is a parts of speech part. You note down it properly, so it will be helpful for your study. Okay. Okay students, I hope you note down all of the parts of pronouns. So if it is helpful for your study, you can share with your friends, and if you are new, you can subscribe the channel. We will meet our next class. Thank you all of you.